they are inspiring management of COVID-19 pandemic. Ghana has been identified as one of the most innovative and effective countries at management of the virus. But when you know, that's sorry, is there something that the government is hiding from us? Did you hold my money this year?
Yo, that's it. Maybe can venture Omo Fair so near ma your doctor for nurses, your mom in so abaso. Na in Samuel Cosi. Utie said yes, Kona, as Samuel Cassi here. A video of honor. And yet Ghana has a year. Brunia or assess the whole world. Countries of Mabom Humadi are fighting this COVID-19. And it's clear, Ghana at the number 6. The whole world, countries of Mabom Humadi, you're also 6. And you sit down and say, President, dishonest in fighting this.
And Africa has to answer the first. You're the number 1. As country, I recorded cases. They say, what did you? And then a pandemic go. We'll be shut down Congo Fambo. A idea of them. Now, Obedo who say case in Apostlana and Gosto. It's our testing. And I'm a one. It's a testing one year. But all this, Yabina. Nigeria for the rate I did testing. If you are no more no moon cosa. So would you know? But would be a rate now. Also, both on Belgium 20 kind and the account. Because I'm also seeing a baby. 30 billion, 200 and something million. So, it's at the end of look, minority for issue are raising in ano. Maybe who say populace and then finding relevance in the public space because who show almost say oh sad way mapping nye politics in the Kaika Huntino. Ye bibi ye family. Look. Ye Harina Idrisu needs some more cane and get it up by law put down in 10 Pablo I confirm that. We sorry annual logo. We sorry annual logo. Look at the suffering. Young Fabiani Kakran Kono. Yamadi from so you need when say a bino lockdown, you lock it down in Temwa. And can't lock it down, Tem saying. Opening. Send your bridge here. Even you are now at the start here. Tamben on lock down. Tamben. What is it? Open on what systems? What shall we them want? You can just order food. Now a dianaba, yet there will be so kind of no offer. No waiting. The Bia Upebiano, Upita phone, Upetimania. Omukrano, look at what you are going through. Now I say I am busy bata. Information, who has number for every gamba, and that system Biaso or Ghana has it. What is it? Every that system Biaso. So how do we locate you? Say, problem about who said them. What is the and you know, but you can read the young Fediane Emro. You better than Yas Adeno. So they tell that is not proper planning. Now, President, I just say, Abia, what's sorry after no what you make up yes, I do it. Or team. Medical team or more advice. Yes, but we put about Bontain like one boss of being about Bontain lockdown early in the Kaikam. Say, when you're a member of the team, they were vice president. It's more advice, the appropriate time. I say, you lock it down. And yet, I say, associating to them, no. The team, associating for the Sobokan. The national COVID-19 team, Yatia, or more fatty side you win. Associate, dear me, members account, so they tell. It's air disabled. The message and say, President took the right decision at the right time. Now, we share maybe our person no. Tama near Mapai, this is near Pablo okay. MPP, government official and no coino. Say on testing positive here. Then what testing positive are. And case now will make able to say, or buy and say yourself quarantine, say so the papa and go. One testing positive here. So many general. Get it. Send oh yeah, if you are what papa negative no. Wouldn't they not try the same three mobile? 80 one also no one tested positive. Napa a yes, send for your self quarantine in the Kaikam, but Yanko Pado and Canibi. They can say, Sir, issue with the what president a 100 no. Media military Ghana for the no any answer.
money so papa. One lock down, young Shanaka. Number 2, lockdown Ukraine. No media for Angatano. Mashadamo. Oh, and I will say this without fear. More said that lockdown media for you. Me who TV stations are from outside Ghana. Now you show Sasoja for every time. Video be a SEO PNDC time. SEO of 1998. SEO of 2004. Now you show our television station. Now, we are a soldier for the police for now. Or more cattle behind you. Do you think somebody has one day the other? Because more criticize Omo, and then more taking go for Muyete. It has to take them to do extra work to come out and see, say, this will not be so lucrano. Sir, it's 10 years ago. I didn't take him. Saturday, now, Ebu, or Mobile, I'm on one to me. I am 10 years ago, young cook, PNTV Piabonte. No, you have said them. O Publica, and the democracy, and your body is free. Yeah, democracy, Fourth Republic, and 28 years money away. If you want your bed 300 years, if you want to echo or money, as a whole crown, I tell you that. So look at the men, not okay. One more discipline. And then I can't, and you woman rights are near the US, if one US report. US, but rather, Subodebo, and some trophy. And some no, I can't. I mean, some of these things later turned out to be to serve videos near the yes, it's not your more be found the tunnel. Now, the father said, teach them about the tunnel. Now, or I press before discipline Katra. And this will be an issue. And your issue. You are summer. You are summer. You are never. No, you are addressing that right. Some are modern directives in the Ebe Chujano. Mama Ghana for and Tiasie. Say, Yabu, Untiabontia, saying about the fact we had the police say it is a humanitarian duty and mobile performing. So then if it turns otherwise, we as journalists don't we have the right to put to put out what we are more democratic than UK, we are more democratic than US in the Kaigan. Omo ye chunk of what US every day, what you took of Omo. Yen can't say things to us. But what I know they say, now Canadian and say, what I said UK. US. Every day political if you don't know, I'm telling you. But your better side to be the two happy. Never to say your what. Yes, force will be a medication. What does it? Me area. Don't be gay. I'm going to social what say or Papa pure water. I don't say that. Or Mudinachi. Okoto, I feel what you owe, because I wouldn't call your own beer the free. Let us say, in sure, a ship free, I'm Oma. I want to go shame. What would they do? I think some of these things, say, Yanka Sayamwa, Babuye, and Anka Moonshu, which, a pretty for a 94 Buyaji, more Bobby Humoding. No, the more now monthful piano. I know, Anna, just a jeans, Samuno. Tell my test your muye. Rather, you got tested 1,300 and something. Not even 533 are tested positive. And you think it's good? A company, 533 are more tested positively. Just imagine. So, beyond Nipa 2 campaign upon that, Nipa Sena of affected. So, I think we need to look at some of these things and then make sure say, okay, you are here excellent. But you're making an answer. But not the news, Yaman. Say, pulling down figures another, you will chromatic, other this 4-year propaganda PCB. A try no more than none now. That's a number, I'm say 400 and something. No more try to your 1,000 something. I didn't get a I don't know what to be found on the case where Hanum said, if you are simple, but what I want to say, and he said, and this before. Right from the word go, animal politicizers are a country piano, a national fight. Give me one country, just one. Our president, Abma update. No position leaders have a big number of update. Just give me one country on this road. Say, and this before, if we are not the cause of this. What I say, you know, President, or you actually say, already obey. No, ye chediane Mr. Mahama say on so chediane nke good thing ana me wa say any lockdown what ko hono na wo chediane wo no dia say no ka kire no is it not campaign I say you put restriction on campaign activity then you move from here to Sege constituency no wrong for podium here this is the flag bearer Mr. Mahama the flag bearer meanwhile lockdown omun they don't lockdown now it is a wicked you are not doing it there okay. Now come baby it is a politicization and no and affecting because President Kataji now Mr. Mahama Bejinaho now criticize it and then criticize it ya obi a woti fie no measure na edapo no on for the serious because everything member atie president obefie one fie ati no ma ye na yen ka ye gumbum ni on say you one country yes me but one is in one people who ya media person say e wo ni fa ba ko ho a ya sa ni ejina ana me wa asa ni ejina eti say ye na ye titu mu say no ati we yen ka ye gumbum na waba NDC COVID-19 17. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's the NDC COVID-19 team?
But say NDC for almost so much say some of these suggestions from the two Jan and no one are buying what or the stimulus packages, the insurance package. Ura Mahama Kai say abiding you know no farmer frontline health workers near the area.
Mamo man is accredited.
Now we say Abayan take care. You say, "Oh my, I'm saying the second year and the third year." I was past say, "You have a mass stimulus package." Muhammad was talking about Senate in the Gagam. I was president that you know that it's impossible, and then you come out and then do this, and just near propaganda, just to look relevant on the face of the public. Okay, but let me put this on record as a media man. I have also put my life on the line during this COVID-19 on the issue on the issue Uradoye Erezi Yadi by a lockdown by we have been on the front line. Tama Ubia Shefi, we have given you politicians airtime. We have constant education. We I will take serious exception that you sit on my show and you tell you we are untouchable, but you can touch someone. We will touch you. We are going to touch you. You did not have the system. But no. CJ, I take media man, and then you are not a user. You are untouchable. It means that the government is just being ungrateful. But that false fake videos that I'm sharing, and no, and the mother.